Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a profitable Google Ads campaign for your towing and car recovery business. How profitable, you ask? Well, here's a towing company that we're doing Google Ads for, and they're seeing a cost per conversion of £15. That's their lead cost. They're spending about £2.29 per click. They've spent close to about £5,000, and for that, they've got 327 leads. Just imagine the potential return on investment here. It's massive. I'll walk you through the exact setup process that we use for our clients, show you how to structure your ads, what keywords to target, how to write a clickable headline, and how to set up a budget to outbid your competitors. Do all this and you can get results just like our client. If you're new here, hi, I'm Kurt from One Base Media, and I'm here to help you get more leads for your trades business using online marketing. So if you don't want to miss any videos, join our community and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified. So when you set up your campaign, you want to select leads as the campaign objective because we want more leads coming through the ads. Then select search from select campaign type. In our experience, the best campaign to run for a towing business is a search ad. Next, select website visits and put in your website URL. And then select phone calls as your lead conversion goals. Then name your campaign and click continue. When starting a campaign, we want to focus on clicks instead of conversions. This is because we initially want traffic coming to our website so we can collect a whole bunch of data for keywords and the entire ad campaign and later on optimize the ad. Now for the maximum cost per click, let's set it to £5. Here's a pro tip, put a random number at the end, like £5.12. This will get you an edge over your competitors who bid at £5. Then click next. Now turn off the display network and enter the location you want to target. In the location option, select people in or regularly in your location. Then set your language to English. Click on more settings and in ad rotation, select best performing ads. For ad schedule, if you run 24/7 towing business, set the time from midnight to 11:45. Google will start placing ads throughout the day and give us data on the best performing time. This way we can optimize our ads and increase the budget for the best performing time and get better results. Then click on next. Here Google has suggested some keywords for us to target, but what we want to do is go to Google Keyword Planner, put in our main keywords for our service, which is towing companies, car recovery companies, and roadside assistance, and then hit enter. Now we've got a ton of keyword suggestions, but you want to select only those that have higher buying intent and are relevant to your business. So things like tow truck company near me. You can also see the search volume, competition, and average cost per bid beside each keyword. Now copy and paste the selected keywords along with the keywords Google has suggested. These keywords are set at broad match at the moment, and we want to change them to phrase match. To do this, copy all the keywords, go to a keyword wrapper tool, paste your keywords and select phrase match. Just like that, all your keywords are phrase matches. Now all you have to do is copy and paste these back into your campaign. Now put in your URL. Then put in your display path, such as tow in London if you operate in London. Now write your headlines. Google will suggest a few headlines and you can use those, or you can go to Google and use the headlines that are working for your competitors. Remember that your headlines should always have a call to action and unique offers, like towing from £60 or 24/7 towing. At the top, you can see an indicator that shows the strength of our ad. We want that to say excellent. Then fill out all 4 descriptions. Highlight your unique selling points about your business, like get your vehicle recovered within the hour and get help right now, 24 hours a day, fast roadside assistance, call now, things like that. Now add in your site links. Site links are additional links that appear below the main description of your ads. They make your ad look bigger, which in turn gets you more clicks. They allow the customer to access specific landing pages on your website, allowing you to highlight different services you offer. For example, you can create site links for car recovery and also one for motorcycle recovery. If you just have one landing page, just put in /#1 after your URL. This will tell Google that you have a different landing page, but when a customer clicks on the ad, they'll go to a single landing page. The next step is to fill in your call-out extensions. Put in your unique selling points to make your ad look better and also give a little more detail about your service. Things like 20 years in the business and fast response 24/7. Save after you've filled in all of your call-outs. In the price section, we suggest that you put in a flat rate, such as car recovery starting from £60 or £100 for car recovery. In the structure snippets, again, fill in all your unique selling points, then click next. Now, when setting a daily budget, set it to at least £50 when you're starting out. Again, remember to put in a random number after the £50 so you outbid most of your competitors who just put £50 on the nose. Then click next. Now you can review all your settings, make sure everything is ordered and then publish it. Once the ad is published, you can view the campaign. Click on our ad group and then select assets. From here you can edit and optimize all the assets that we put in our ads, such as site links, call outs, snippets and price. You can use the location option to link your Google business profile. Now let's set up different ad groups, because that will allow us to show our different services to different audiences. If you offer both towing services and motorcycle recovery, creating separate ad groups will help you speak directly to customers looking for each service. Now to do that, simply click on the campaign, click on ad group and select towing ad group, and then click edit, select copy and click on paste. Now you have duplicated the ad group. Now you have an ad group with all the same settings, rename it to motorcycle recovery. Click on the ad group, go to the keywords section, select all the keywords and remove all the keywords as they are set for car recovery and towing ads. So next, go back to the keyword planner and type in motorcycle recovery and select all high intent keywords. Convert them to phrase match using our keyword wrapper tool, and then paste the keywords back into our campaign and click save. Now click on ads, then select edit and replace towing London with motorcycle recovery in the discovery path. Do the same with headlines and site links. Replace car recovery and towing services with motorcycle recovery keywords. Change the description for motorcycle recovery as well. You can also change the URL and send customers directly to your motorcycle landing page. Now click on Save Ad. And that is how you set up a profitable Google ad campaign that will get you tons of leads. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope you got a lot out of the video. So our goal here is to help you generate the best quality leads so you can fill out your diary with more customers and grow your business. And that's it from me. And by the way, if lead generation is a problem for you right now, then there's a link in the description that will help you solve that problem in under 3 minutes. I want to say a big thank you again for watching this video. If you want to see more like this, please like and subscribe, and also leave a comment in the comment section. We read and respond to all the comments we get. Have a great day. I'll see you on the next one.